of you are trying to lose weight in different ways. Someone's doing green tea, someone's doing turmeric tea. There are different kinds of workouts, protein, carbs, and there's so much that we are doing to lose weight. But there is one common thing that all of us do, and that is cheating. Everybody cheats. Once a week, twice a week, some are more disciplined, some are less disciplined, but we cheat. We may love that little dessert, that little mithai, that yummy chocolate which came home. So what we need is a manager. Today I bring to you the perfect sugar manager. So it's time to head to TT's kitchen. So here we are boiling about 2 glasses of water, that's approximately 400 ml. And these are the ingredients we're going to add to it. This is tulsi, basil leaves from my plant. This is some peppercorns, just a few. Then I have methi seeds, which is here the fenugreek seeds. I have a lovely long cinnamon stick also because I love the flavor of cinnamon, so I just want a very cinnamony flavor in this particular drink. And here this is our kadhi patta. And I'm going to add all of these ingredients. So this recipe is also on a special request where a lot of people asked me to prepare a methi tea when I had made my video on mango and methi tea. That how the combination of mango and methi tea can actually control your sugar. But this is genuinely an amazing combination because it's not just for sugar. This is for blood pressure. It's great for weight loss. Even if you have cheated and if you're eating some dessert and you just want to have this along with that dessert, and sometimes even if you're having like that little bit of salty snack. Plus the benefits of this is amazing. This is not like really a kadha, it's more like a methi tea. This will have your methi seeds, which is great for your sugar. It has kadhi patta, which is also great for hair and sugar. The peppercorn, which is very good for balancing your blood pressure. The tulsi, which is again great for weight loss, blood pressure, as well as for your diabetes, PCOD. This is like an amazing portion. So now that it's come to a boil, I'm going to simmer it for a few minutes, and that's it. We're just going to leave it to simmer. So we simmered it for a few minutes and then I kept it covered for about 15 minutes, and this is what we've got here. And it smells amazing. The aroma is like to die for. I'm going to simply strain this, and I'm straining it in a big jug because I want it to cool off quickly. I don't want to have it hot. It's really hot. It's summertime. I want to have this nice and cool. A very smart trick is to add guava to this tea. If you can add guava, if you get guava, it's totally amazing. I purposely didn't make a guava tea because a lot of people will not find guava and it may just get a little confusing for you. But this is the basic methi tea, and you can add some crushed pomegranate seeds or a little fruit to it at this stage. Leave it to brew. It becomes a natural fruit tea. That's in case you don't want to have it with some cheat meal. But if you want to have it with a cheat meal, then just have it the way it is. Plain methi tea, which is super healthy.